Hey guys, Mike at WestEndMotorsports.com here with another one of our slip-on sound and review videos. Today we have the SVT jackhammers finally. They've been out for a little while. We've just got our first chance to get them on the dyno. We just got done doing that. And then to hear them and show you guys what they sound like. So this is a pipe that the guys down at SVT came out with in an effort to make just a even more aggressive sound than they were already getting out of the Bone Shakers. They said, performance be damned, we are going to make a louder, more aggressive pipe, and that's exactly what they did. And the performance actually isn't much of a drop-off. We compared it to the Bone Shakers on the dyno, and the only place that you're losing is really in the first bottom end. But, you know, for guys looking for that super aggressive sound, that is exactly what you get. They also have these pretty cool industrial tips here with the jackhammer name on it and stuff, and I really like them. They're sharp. They're the same price as the Bone Shakers at the moment, so that's good. So it's just a matter of choosing whether or not you want that little bit of bottom end and maybe a little bit less sound, or a little bit more sound and a little bit less bottom end. And then depending on what other pipe combination and stuff you have, you may be able to even get that to break that difference a little bit. That being said, we're real happy with them so far. We've been selling a lot of them, and people have been real happy. So let's go ahead and get this thing started up for you. And there you go. I just love the way these pipes sound at idle. Same for the Bone Shakers, man. On this bike with that SNS 465 cam, and if you have any other cam, it's going to be fairly similar. I mean, that is just, it's an awesome, clean, aggressive sound. When you get on it, you can really hear it. Super impressive. So if you have any questions about this, let us know. Like I said, we're going to have a dyno video following this up too, so stay tuned for that. Give us a call anytime, 1-800-520-8525. Send us an email, info@westendmotorsports.com. I should also mention real quick, the link to purchase them is below, and in those links will be that dyno graph, so if you want to check that out, you can certainly do that there. And that's it for this one, guys. If you can, subscribe, and thanks for watching. Have a good one.